Hello, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about a vacation wardrobe module. I have to say right off the bat that putting this video together was really hard. It was a tough one for me because when it comes to packing for vacation, I fall squarely into the maximalist column. I am in no way, shape, or form a minimalist when it comes to packing for a vacation. I know this about myself. I embrace it. I pack for any and every scenario that could possibly come up. I am a notorious overpacker. I am coming at this from the perspective of one who wants to be minimalist in their packing, or maybe who wants to only take a carry-on for their journey. They don't want to have to deal with big luggage. If you are not familiar with what a module is for a wardrobe, it is a subset of a capsule wardrobe, generally comprised of 6 pieces. Now, in today's vacation module, I have only included 5 pieces. And the reason being is that a module calls for an outer layer. And I'm assuming that because we're nearing the warmer months, people are going to be traveling to a warm climate. If you are traveling to a cooler climate, then by all means include some sort of an outer layer, whether that's a cardigan, a duster cardigan, a blazer of some sort, or a thin puffy jacket if you're like going skiing or something like that. But mine leans more to a warm climate. So I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. The pieces of a module, besides the outer layer, are you have 3 tops and 2 bottoms. I don't ever count shoes or bags or belts or anything like that, because to me those are the things they're the seasoning, that you put into an outfit. They give it its flavor. I will have chapters, so if you hover along the little red line, the timeline for this video, you'll see that there are breaks. If you want to go straight to the lookbook, then I will have that noted in the chapters, and just hover above that timeline and you can jump straight over to the lookbook. But for now, let's go over the pieces that I have in the module. The first piece that I have is this little red seersucker top that I recently got from Old Navy. This is my pop of color in today's module. This little top has got smocking on the neckline, it has smocking on the sleeves, and it has smocking at the waist. It is incredibly versatile. You can wear it with all kinds of things. Now, sadly, I think Old Navy is sold out of the red one, but they do have this top in black, and I think it's really pretty. It's made of cotton, it's a seersucker, it's really comfortable, it's not too hot or anything like that, and like I said, it is incredibly versatile. The next top is actually one that I have had for quite some time. I picked this top up from Lucky Jeans. I will try and find something similar since it is no longer available. It is several years old, but definitely the silhouette of this top is perfect for a vacation. It does have a really pretty pattern. It's got the halter neckline. I included this little top because I feel that it is very versatile, because it is black with neutrals, and I was not mistaken. I really love it. I am going to Hawaii soon, which if you want to see what a maximalist packs for Hawaii, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, because I will have a pack with me somewhere on my channel before we head off to Hawaii. And this little top is going with me to Hawaii because I completely forgot that I had it, and I absolutely need to take it with me. The next top that I included in the module is this little top here. This is a really pretty little white eyelet top that was an absolute favorite last year. I got this from H&M and I wore it to pieces last summer. I'm so happy to bring it back out. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Oralia, and the content that I provide here on my channel is all around style and fashion for the plus size woman, more specifically the petite plus size woman. I post style and fashion tips and advice, product reviews, try on hauls, and I sprinkle just a little bit of lifestyle into the mix. I post 3 times a week, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything here on my channel. Now let's go ahead and get back to the video. As for bottoms, I really like the idea of having a light colored pair of pants. Now, this is one of those gaps that this module has kind of opened up in my wardrobe. I really need to get myself a pair of light light linen pants, I think. Wide leg preferable. And the reason being is because they're so beautiful, they're so lightweight, they're so great for the warmer climate and for the warmer weather. But for the purposes of today's module, I have included my white pin tuck wide leg pants that I picked up from Eloquii just for illustrative purposes. It could even be a denim if you're comfortable wearing denim during the summer. I have included my Aritzia Wilfred twirl skirt. Yes, this skirt again. I know you guys might be tired of seeing this skirt, but I will tell you that I am absolutely not tired of wearing this skirt. I love this skirt. It is so good. It is expensive, but very, very much well worth the investment. I have gotten such great cost per wear out of this skirt already, and it's just going to continue. This skirt is very, very versatile in that it can easily dress down as well as dress up. This is a case where black is okay during the spring because it is made of a very beautiful lightweight fabric that is just really, really nice, and it flows beautifully, and it stays very cool. I don't feel warm or anything in this skirt because it has a lot of flow and it is very lightweight fabric. So those are the pieces that I included in this module. No dress in this wardrobe module. You could include any one of your spring dresses that you have, and it can stand on its own, be a one and done kind of piece, but I didn't include one. So let's go ahead and let's get to the lookbook, and I will be right back. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed the looks that I came up with using this module wardrobe. Again, these are just ideas to help kick you off if you are looking at how to pack efficiently for a vacation. The elements of a module are a perfect way of doing that, and then you can include more than one module. You can also interchange the pieces if you wanted to wear shorts instead of pants, if you didn't want to include a skirt, if you wanted to wear jeans, you know, it's interchangeable. It's just the concept of having 3 tops, 2 pants, and an outer layer of some sort. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up because it really, really helps my channel out. It helps to push my content out into the YouTube algorithm and allows for more eyeballs to land on what I am doing here. Thank you, as always, for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to live your life filled with confidence, grace, and style. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.